This is going to be an interesting story. Customer brought this in. He's been on our schedule for a while. He said he needed a lower unit. He's had the boat about 2 years now, and it's a really nice boat, clean as a pin. And he hit something. He said he needed a lower unit. Well, we had a lower out to put on there, and he came in and it looked like this. We said, that's not just a lower. There's the only part of the lower that's left right here. That's your upper drive. There's not much of it left. And when you hit something, you broke your transom assembly, because that's where the trim ram is attached to the transom assembly. So to repair that, the motor has to come out. You pull out the whole transom assembly, repair it, put another one in, put a drive on, upper, put a lower on. And this guy has Geico. And I would warn people that they told him, we are going to insure the parts, we depreciate them 80%, or they're going to give him 20% of the value of this drive and the transom assembly because it's used and depreciated. So he's going to get basically nothing for this to fix this. They depreciated his drive and boat 80% on the parts. They said they'd cover the labor, but I'm really curious to see where this goes. And I'll keep you informed on it, because we had a chat with the insurance agent today to see how much they're going to give him to fix this.